Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss and start a new series called Subscriber Special, in which if you post down some request of any question explanation in my comment box, and if I like that question, I will make a video so that everyone can get benefit from it. So this is a question asked by Rajat Talnikar, in which he asked the question says that you are given a string and you have to convert that string into some another string such that you replace all the spaces in the string with modulus 20. So you have to replace all the spaces with this, but you have to do this in O of 1 space and O of n time. So you don't have to, like, you can make a copy or you can iterate over the whole string one by one, copy the string which is a character, you can copy it into a new string, exclude the spaces, and when you encounter a space you can just put like modulus 20. You can do that, but in this you are using another space, but you have to do it in O of 1 space. So how you can do that? So I can first tell you that this is an example. First, what we can do is here is there can be some trailing spaces also at the end of the string. So you have to first remove these spaces. So that can be easily done. You can iterate from the last, and if there is a space, you can pop it out from the string such that there is no string remain at the end. Now the strings look like this. There's a space here, there's a space here. Now what you can do here is if you stop at a space and if you want to iterate over the space and you are not using new string, you are iterating over this string only, its length is changing, because if you like insert any string such that if you want to insert modulus 20 at the place of this space, then the length of the string will increase and you cannot keep track of the length. So what we will do here is we will insert a hash at the back of the string, and we are assuming there is no hash in the string. Okay, now we will take a pointer I at the start and we will do I will go from 0 till we will encounter a hash. Okay, now whenever we encountered a space, what we can do here is there is a space available here, there's a character of space here. Okay, so what you can do here is you can first replace that space with a modulus sign, and now you can insert 20 as a string after this modulus sign, and then you can continue on your string. So that's a very simple thing in which you just need two operations. You can first replace the modulus sign or the space sign with this modulus sign, and then you will iterate through the string and also insert this 20 after just this modulus sign, and you will stop when you hit this like hash. So I'll tell you to the code now. So this is the solve function which will take the string input, and we'll be using this getLine function to take the string input because the string will be having spaces, so we cannot directly take the input through cin. And then we will while and we will check whether string.back. This is a very easy function to check what is the back, the last character of a string. If it's equal to like space, you can pop out the string last character. So there are functions such that str.back, str.popback, pushback, but there is no function for front. Okay, so you can do manipulation for first last character but not for the first character in a string. So then you can pop the last character if it is a space, and then you can push back hash in the last character. Then you can initialize I equal to 0, and you will do this while loop such that the ith character is not equal to hash. Then if we encountered which is not space, you will do nothing. But if you encountered which is equal to space, what you will do here is, because this is the character, the ith character is a space, so you will first make this ith character equal to modulus, and then you will insert at the next position of this ith character. So this is an insert function in which you will first tell the index in which you want to insert the new string and the new string itself. So this is a position, so you have to insert at the next position of the ith point. So I plus 1, and you will insert 20 because you have already inserted modulus. So modulus 20 will be inserted, and then at everything you will insert increment I at every position. After that you will come out of this loop, but because there's a hash in the end, you will pop back which will take out the last hash, and then you will see out the string. You can check the output also here. If you just print, as you can see, Mr. Star 20, modulus 20, Shivam, modulus 20, Valla, and there is no anything at the end because you don't want anything at the end. There's no spaces at the end. So that's the code and that's the logic. If you like this explanation, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have more doubts, please mention down. If it's worth making a video, I will do and make a video on it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.